I'm going to share with you how to really understand your prospective patients and your existing patients to really connect with them and be highly successful in everything you do. Come back and I'm going to talk about that in just a second. Hi, this is Ginger Bratzel from New Patient Attraction Automation and gingerbratzel.com, and I'm the author of the books Secrets to Creating a Prosperous Dental Practice. And I'm answering the question today about why it's so important to know your audience. If you've been struggling to get case acceptance, or you're struggling to get more people in, or you're struggling to make overhead, well, the reason why we're having those issues is because we're not connecting well to your audience. You know, if you know everything about your prospective audience well, you just build your business around them. Most dentists go into practice and then they try to find people to fill that. So, well, I want to work Monday through Thursday, 8 to 5, and I only want to do lower mandibular molars. And oh, by the way, I want to be really successful doing that. Now, I am being a little silly on that, but that's truly what a lot of practices do. I'm not doing this, I'm not doing this, I'm not doing this, I'm not doing this. Well, that's great. Now you got to find someone to fill those voids. Now let's take it the other way. Let's work your business in reverse. And that's what the big thing about today is work in reverse. You're in an area and you know a lot about your audience. You know where they come from. You know their values. You know where they work. You know their hours. You know where their kids go to school. You know where they go to church. You know where they shop. You know what they like. You know what they don't like. You know how much dentistry they want to do. You know how much they want to invest in. You know that if you educated them, you could help them make better decisions and maybe do more dentistry. But they have a certain level coming in. Well, guess what? You build your practice around them. When you know your audience, you are the answer to their solution. There's no trying to, what do I need to say? What do I need to get them to do this? Well, it just goes because you're solving their problem. And I say this all the time. You're not a dentist, you're a problem solver. So if you know everything about them, and it's not just their teeth, what time issues do they have? What struggles is your office not located? What embarrassment issues have they been holding on to? What are they afraid what's going to happen in the office? If you solve all those, then you have the perfect practice, and your door will always be full of people walking in. Your phones will be ringing off the hook. So build your practice in reverse. Know your audience. If you're in a town to practice for certain people, do what they need you to do. Don't try to sell them something they don't want and appreciate, because that's an uphill battle. That's psychology. Nobody likes to be told they're wrong. Nobody wants to have their whole value system shifted. We can come get them in, and by serving them, and like I said, we can talk to them about better options. Because you say, I'm in a low-income practice and they only want to pull their teeth. Well, they've got a pain. They think that's the only way to do it. Once you get them in the door, you can talk about them long-term options, ways to save their teeth and improve their lives. But first, you got to start with the them. So know your audience, and you will always be successful. I urge you to go over to gingerbratzel.com if you haven't requested our free report or CD in the past. Make sure you have it, and if you have, you've been a subscriber to my list, and we've been sending you emails every week and giving you these strategies. It is time for you to step up. It's step up and come train with us. Come to one of our live events or our workshops, or become a private VIP or top-level gold mastermind and coaching program where we really dive in your practice. It's time for change. This is your year. Until next time, this is Ginger Bratzel signing off. Bye-bye.